Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Esti Widyastuti from 11th grade OTKP 2. Here I will make a video about how to make fruit salad. Let's get started. Friends, we need our mayonnaise, yogurt, sweet sweet sweetened condensed milk, cheese to put on. I free can any cheese brand. Here I use Emina milk cheese. In the next step, choose your favorite fruit. Here I use melons, strawberries, and apples. Step, put 100 grams of mayonnaise in a bowl. Sweetened condensed milk to into mixture and stir again until smooth. Is mixed evenly like this. Put the cut fruit into a small container. Then put the sauce in the small bowl. Then grab the Emina milk cheese on top of the fruit and the sauce. Here it's and the fruit salad is ready to be served. I was making a fruit salad that might be useful for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.